Kip G, weather overview. How's it going out there, everybody? Well, here's your average temperatures. They start on October 1st around 70 degrees, typically for this time of year. And then by the end of the month, it gets chilly. We're only looking at highs around 60 degrees by the time we hit Halloween. So October is definitely a big transition month around here. You can see it's gotten as high as 94 degrees in the park. That happened on October 5th, 1941. As cold as 28 degrees on October 27th, 1936. So it's a volatile month, to say the least. We have had all types of weather in the month of October, including snow. But I don't think snow is in the offing, especially for the first 10 to 15 days of the month. In fact, it's the opposite of where I thought it would go. It looks like, based on the latest forecast data, we're looking at a very tranquil 10 to 15 days to start the month. And the only real weather trouble that we're going to have, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits, comes in the form of widespread showers and thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, probably between 5 and 10 p.m. for most places. And some of those storms will be pretty heavy as they work their way through. So definitely prepare for that as you're headed home tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, for a good bit of the area to get some showers and thunderstorms to move through. Now, the overall pattern is a very interesting one, and it's very cold in Canada for this time of year, but that cold really has no alleyway to get into the eastern two-thirds of the United States. In fact, if we go a little bit further in time, as we go through the week, courtesy of the GFS model, what happens is that this ridge of high pressure over the east, which is basically blocking all the cold air from coming into Canada, it remains firmly in place. And that high pressure system stays with us through early next week and a good part of next week at that. And all the stormy weather is confined to the western part of the United States. So the overall pattern is one where we can look for near to above normal temperatures. If you take a look at Weather Underground, I mean, this is as good as you're going to get for early October. Look at this. I mean, widespread 70s for the most part, except for a day or two here or there. Friday, Saturday, I guess we're hovering around 70, but widespread 70s, fair weather, except for tomorrow. We hit that speed bump with the showers and thunderstorms. But other than that, some delightful October weather is in the offing to start the month, and it looks like it's going to make a run through at least the 10th.